Okay, we're here at Gallagher at the Reno branch, brand new Reno branch, and I'm going to be demoing the new Basic Coatings Dirt Dragon, which is a 2018-2019 model designed by Betco Corporation. Betco purchased Basic Coatings, and even though Basic Coatings has been around forever, Betco has enhanced these products and their equipment, since that's what Betco's been doing since the 1950s. And so if you haven't tried Basic Coatings products in the last year, you haven't tried the new Basic Coatings. And this is the new Dirt Dragon. It's designed to do a dustless recoat of hand scrape textures, any kind of texture over aluminum oxide or any kind of urethane floor. You can come in, clean it with the Dirt Dragon, put a product down what Basic Coatings has called Tie Coat. You get 3,000 square feet per gallon. You're gonna mop that on, let it sit for an hour, and then you're gonna be able to put a coat of Basic Coatings finish, which they've got a two-component, which our two-component finishes are phenomenal, with 24-hour window to work out of with your catalyst, and you could recatalyze it and use it for first or second coats down the road, which you're never wasting product. And then their one component, which I have yet to have a guy tell me, I mean, I'm talking 80, 90 contractors that have tried the Basic Coatings finishes in the last year, have yet to tell me it's not the best that they put down. So that's for you to decide, but we're here to demo the Dirt Dragon to show you how to clean a floor and prep it before doing a dustless recoat. And right now, nobody's doing this system. You can make a nice profit for your company. So anyway, that's gonna be the end of part one, and we'll start part two.